Looking for the perfect way to promote your brand, outfit your team, or create memorable merchandise? Look no further. This video introduces our premium customizable baseball caps designed for comfort, style, and effective branding. We'll show you why our caps are the ideal choice for businesses, event organizers, and anyone looking to make a statement. Our baseball caps are crafted from 100% pure cotton, ensuring a soft, natural feel against your skin. This high-quality material is not only durable, but also incredibly comfortable for all-day wear. Experience superior comfort with our breathable design. The cotton fabric allows for excellent air circulation, keeping your head cool and comfortable even in warm weather. Often referred to as dad hats, our caps feature a relaxed, unstructured fit that offers a classic and casual look. They're effortlessly stylish and suit a wide range of personal styles. What truly sets our baseball caps apart is the ability to fully customize them to your needs. Whether you want to print your logo, embroider a design, or add specific text, the choice is yours. Showcase your brand prominently by printing your logo directly onto the cap. Our high-quality printing ensures sharp, vibrant, and long-lasting designs that will get your message noticed. For a more premium and textured look, opt for embroidery. Our expert embroidery services bring your logo or design to life with intricate stitching, adding a touch of sophistication and durability. These customizable caps are incredibly versatile. They're perfect as work caps for your team, effective advertising tools, memorable merchandise for events, or a stylish way to build your brand identity. Beyond branding and events, our baseball caps are designed for a wide array of practical uses. Their comfortable and durable nature makes them suitable for various activities and environments. Our caps are the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. They provide excellent sun protection and comfort, making them ideal for any activity under the sun. From exploring new cities on a tourism trip to setting up camp in the wilderness, conquering mountain peaks, hitting the slopes for skiing, or tackling challenging rock climbing routes, our caps are built to accompany you. To ensure efficiency and quality, we have specific minimum order quantities for our caps, depending on whether you choose plain or customized options. This helps us provide you with the best possible service. For our plain baseball caps, the minimum order quantity is just 50 pieces per color. This is a great option if you need unbranded caps for general use or smaller events. For customized baseball caps, where you add your logo or design, the minimum order quantity is 100 pieces per color. This ensures we can effectively set up production for your personalized order. Ready to elevate your brand or next event with our customizable baseball caps? Contact us today to discuss your needs and place your order. Let's create something great together.